Hello friends, welcome to Billion Kids channel. Today we are going to play Would You Rather Quiz, Animal Edition. Make sure you subscribe for more awesome quizzes like this. Let's go. Would you rather pet a tiger for a day or swim with dolphins for a day? Would you rather have a pet penguin or have a pet monkey? Can you decide? Would you like to ride an elephant or ride a camel? Live with wolves or live with lions? Do you like to talk to dogs or talk to cats? Would you rather have a parrot or have a snake as a pet? Be a giraffe or be a cheetah for a day? Have a dragon or have a unicorn as a pet? Do you like to swim with sharks or to swim with jellyfish? Have a kangaroo or have a koala as a pet? Ride a horse in a parade or ride an ostrich in a race? Fly like an eagle or swim like a fish? Would you rather have a raccoon or have a hedgehog as a pet? Be a bee or be a butterfly for a day? Do you like to live in the Arctic or live in the Amazon jungle? Have a lion's roar or have an elephant's trunk? Do you like to see a dolphin show or see a tiger show? Have a pet hamster or have a pet guinea pig? Spend a day with pandas or spend a day with koalas? Swim in a pool of turtles or swim in a pool of fish? Do you like to be best friend with a wolf or be best friend with a bear? Have a pet goat or have a pet sheep? Walk with a llama or walk with a zebra? Be a chameleon or be a frog for a day? Have a lion or have a tiger as a pet? Visit an animal sanctuary or visit a zoo? Fly with birds or swim with whales? Have a pet dolphin or have a pet seal? See a polar bear in the wild or see a grizzly bear in the wild? Play with baby lions or play with baby tigers? Thank you for watching. Now let's pick you next challenge. Be sure you liked and the subscribed billion kids for more exciting quizzes like this. See you in a next adventure.